Alright everyone, it's the middle of the night. My husband and I are harvesting the cassava because it fell over. We got some good cassava. You gotta cut it right here, babe. I was gonna leave it for another couple of weeks, but be careful, my love. Remove your feet, please.
For what?
Because I don't want you to get hurt.
You think I'm gonna cut myself?
Just be careful.
God damn. Tight still up.
Be careful, babe. Stop.
Oh, salta pouco pano.
I know, but liga ko to be, so.
Saba bro.
And there's still some more under the ground.
Yeah, there.
I thought you said there was.
No more half door. That's more. So fast, sir.
I'm gonna plant it tomorrow. This is so heavy.
What did you say on Leo?
No. I'm gonna replant these. This is what you replant. I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow.
If you.
The fairy's gonna go under the bananas.
That's it?
There's nothing under there anymore?
No. Tá ganhando.
You sure?
Eu pensei. Let's wash. You try patat lá?
Tonight? Not tonight. But yeah, you guys, this is our little harvest of the cassava. I'm so sad. There were some that were gonna get bigger, but our cassava harvest, my first time growing cassava. This is actually pretty good. I'm happy. Tonight? Nah, we'll have to do that like not tonight.
There's light.
No, but I have to cut these up and put them in the freezer tonight. The next one we can harvest like in a month or so. So that's it for tonight, you guys. Harvested this cassava when my husband got home. Well, he harvested it, but
The patat lá.
the patat is right there, my love. This is the
I'm
patat.
gonna try one.
Alright, knock yourself out. So he wants to try harvesting one of the sweet potatoes. Go ahead, husband. Just dig in there.
You want to leave him?
Yeah. It should be at the root. Do you see anything? Do you feel anything?
Yes, no, do. These bitches, bro.
Oh.
It could be.
Well, that's supposed to be the potato, the sweet potato. Keep pulling. Alright, remove this little piece right here. Let's harvest from this area. Remove all that. All of that green so you can get them there, under there.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, battery have you, right?
Yes, babe. Yeah, so now try to see if you could get any from this little area.
Include. Bring it up.
What's your name, Mim?
No.
What the hell? Oh.
There's no way, bro.
No freaking way, bro.
There's nothing. Why?
No, we have to come back and do this in the morning because there's no way. This is our sweet potato harvest, you guys. Oh my god.
No, Nah, that's
No
not
way. At least you want to finish. You want to do one?
I didn't find nothing.
All right, we can finish this when I get off for tomorrow.
Let me
but-
try that one.
All right, go ahead. There has to be something. They've been in the ground for months now.
Oh. Nope.
I gotta find at least one sweet potato. Come on, man. Don't embarrass me like that.
That's a sweet potato, bro.
Wow, that's pathetic.
There's,
Keep going.
what is that? That's mushroom, right?
Yeah.
Georgia, right?
I don't think that's the edible ones that Haitians eat. But that is crazy.
There's no pata.
That's really crazy.
Because I should have found some of
You
them.
should have found at least one by now.
Nope.
Wow. It did the same thing last year.
At least we know not to plant that bullshit. We can plant this. Now, coupe ça petit peu pas pour
Yeah, but we have to rinse it off first. That, now prepare to see what the message is because I'm gonna plant it. Alright. My cassava harvest. So happy, huh?
But moi, on va couper la journée.
Mm-hmm.